but welcome back to my channel, The Sugar Sean. I'm back for another video, and welcome back to another luxury unboxing. I'm super excited about this video because I've been waiting to unbox these things, and I just cannot wait to see what I have. Even though you buy stuff, you still can't wait to see stuff in person. So I have some shoes and a handbag that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video because I like nice things, but I cannot stand to pay full price. So I have some luxury things for a great price. And speaking of luxury at a discount, I definitely want to share with you guys Dossier. Dossier actually sells, inspired versions of some of your favorite and some of the most expensive perfumes out there. Brands like Byredo, Chanel, Tom Ford, Mason, Francis, Kirk de Jean, all those kind of really expensive, pricey perfumes. They do it as low as like $29, so really super affordable. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 scents that I got from them. And the first amazing scent that I have is this one right here. I've heard so much about the Byredo Bal d'Afrique Eau de Parfum. Now this one is their inspired version. This one has bergamot, lemon, buchu, orange blossom, marigold, violet, vetiver, amber, and cedarwood. I actually have this one sprayed on my hand. Now this one is great if you don't like super duper fruity or super duper floral. It still smells very feminine, which I really do like. So what you can do now, you just try this out, and if you don't like it or if it doesn't work with your body chemistry, you can just send the bottle back. It's super easy to return if that's what you want to do. But as it says, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Super affordable. Now this next scent is amazing, and I absolutely love this one right here. Now here it is right here. It always has a little card that has the notes on the back. This one is the inspired by the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle scent, and this is another eau de parfum. It's their Oriental Oak Moss. This one, I have it sprayed like here on my arm. This one is me all the way. It smells so good. It's such a sophisticated fruity floral. Very classy, very elegant. It smells like money, rich auntie vibes. This one has bergamot, orange, peach, jasmine, rose, patchouli, oak moss, vanilla, and vetiver. It's got 15% concentration, and it smells just insanely good. Like this one right here, this is gonna be my scent of the day. Oh my goodness. This one just, And if you guys want to find out more about Dossier, I'll be sure to link them below. Be sure to use the code Sean10 to get a nice little discount, especially with like Mother's Day coming up. This is the perfect time to gift somebody or gift yourself the gift of smelling good, okay? So I have that. Now I'm going to share with you guys the shoes and the handbag that I got. And this is a true unboxing. Nothing is opened up. I have the boxes right here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be opening up. We're going to be checking everything out together. So like I said, I did get 2 pairs of shoes, and I also got a new bag. All right, so this is my first pair of shoes from Max Mara. Now these shoes right here I got for a really good deal, and for some reason I've been feeling blue lately. It's like sometimes I go through these different color phases where I'm all about this one color. I've been feeling blue, so both of the shoes are in blue. So I got these shoes from The Real for a real steal, okay? These shoes were like $85. Okay, they retail for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But anyway, here they are right here. They come in the Max Mara box right here. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the shoes actually look like. I got these for the spring and summer. These come with everything. Look, the shoes are still wrapped up. They have a dust bag. Girl, for $85? Girl. And here's what the shoes actually look like. They're gonna like lace up on your foot, and I have them in this really nice navy blue color. I love this rope detail that it has. The quality feels nice. This rope feels really nice on this one. Has like a little gold accents right here. You can definitely lace this up your foot, but look how cute that is. I love the style and the design. And as you guys see, these are brand spanking new. Oh, these are gorgeous. This would be great to wear with like denim, like dark wash denim and any kind of top, because they're so cute and so girly. Not too much of a heel on it, but just enough to make the statement that you needed to make. So these are the first things that I'm gonna share with you guys, these Max Mara shoes right here. And like I said, they come with everything. They also come with this little dust bag, which of course makes it easier for you to travel with your designer goodies. So I always like when things have their dust bag. And this shoe right here is still all wrapped up. So $85. I got a really good deal on this. All right, so here is the box for the next pair of shoes right here. As you guys see, nothing is opened. It is a true, genuine unboxing. It has taken everything out of me not to open this stuff up and check it out on my own. As you guys see, this one's packaged really nicely. It has a little dust bag that says The Real Real, but again, I believe these ones also came with the box, and I'm excited about these as well. Now, this is a pair of Saint Laurent, my first pair of Saint Laurent shoes. I have like a bag and a card case, but my first pair of Saint Laurent shoes, and this bag is so substantial. I'm definitely keeping the box. Now, the style of shoe that I have right here, these are called the Anja. I think that's what it's called, but here's what they actually look like. As you guys see, it has the dust bag and the care instructions on these as well. The color, oh, they're so pretty. Here are the shoes. Oh, the color. These are absolutely beautiful. Cobalt blue, but a really nice, oh my goodness, this color is stunning in person. So like I said, these are the Saint Laurent shoes right here. They have the little stickers on the back right here. Now these I got for, these retail for $995, and I got them for a really, really good deal, but they're absolutely beautiful. This is gonna be a great pop of color to wear with just about anything. And they have like the two dust bags for this as well. Dust bags are white on the inside and black on the outside. These are a really nice satin kind of shoe. Loving these. These are so, so beautiful. All right, so the last thing I'm going to share with you guys is probably the thing I'm most excited about because it's a bag, and you guys know I'm recently getting into shoes, but I am definitely a handbag girl. So I got this bag right here from Fashionphile. Fashionphile is my favorite pre-loved website. They always have so many great bags on their website for great deals, sometimes half off or even 70% off. Like, it just depends on what bag you find. But I found this bag for a really good deal, and I definitely wanted to add it to my collection. Now, the thing about Fashionphile and their packaging is they always have confetti, which always makes it feel like a true celebration. So you gotta love that. And then I have my little receipt right here and also my certificate of authenticity. So as I said, this bag right here is a Chanel bag, which I'm excited about because Chanel is quickly becoming my favorite designer. But here is the little box right here. It always has this pink sticker that says "Use is the new new." Now this one actually comes with the box, which is really nice. Then we open this guy up. And here is the bag that I got. I wanted another wallet on chain, and I wanted it in a nice color, so I have this red Chanel wallet on chain. Oh my goodness. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Now I do have, this is my second Chanel bag. I did have a black one, but I ended up returning it because the strap on that one was too short. I couldn't even wear it with like an oversized coat, but I wanted one with a longer strap, and I definitely thought this bag would be beautiful. I love the color. So not only did I get a really good deal on this bag, I like the fact that I got this bag with the authentic Chanel dust bag. It also came with the box, and I believe this one also came, yes, this one also came with the authenticity card as well. So I already have a Chanel wallet on chain, this pink one right here, which is the Timeless CC. This is the older style, and I do love this one. It's a couple years away from being vintage, but this one's a bit of the newer style with the quilted pattern. This one is the caviar leather on it. As you guys see, it's a really, really beautiful bag. I'm just taking a look at it, making sure I like the condition. It has the Mona Lisa smile in the back, which is classic of Chanel. And as you guys see, it actually is a pretty decent size. I don't actually carry a whole lot with me besides like my cell phone, which I'm pretty sure is gonna fit. Here's my cell phone right here. Yeah, take this out. Yeah. Cell phone, maybe like some lipsticks, a card case, and maybe like a mirror, and I'm good to go. So I do like the size of these wallet on chains, but I got a really good deal for this one. I think this one might have been like almost $1,000 under retail, so a really great price. All right, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. Huge thank you to Dossier. I'll be sure to link them below, and when you click that link, if you're brand new to them, you can take advantage of their 20% off welcome deal. Use that and use my 10% off code, which is Sean10, to get an additional 10% off. So you can save up to 30% off if you're new to Doc. And like I said, I'm also going to be sure to link Fashionphile below, The Real Real, and my favorite finds on both their websites right now for you guys as well. You can get great deals, $85 designer shoes. Honey, yes, okay, amen to that, all right? So if you like this video, you'll love my last one. Be sure to check it out right here. Be sure to subscribe right here. Till next time, later divas and dudes, this is Honey.